my name is Teddy, owner of A-Access Lock and Key. Today I want to talk a little bit about a question I get asked often from customers. One of our main questions is, should I rekey my locks or replace my locks? A lot of people think when they replace their locks that they have to replace their locks and put new hardware in. When most cases we can actually come in, take your locks apart, change the combination, rekey it to a new key. All existing keys won't work anymore. So if you're a homeowner, just purchased a new home, whether it's new or from a different individual, used, you could just rekey your locks most of the time to a new key. Then all the old keys won't work anymore. It's like replacing the locks, but you don't have to actually physically replace them. It's usually less expensive. It's a lot quicker. We could come in and out pretty fast to do that. So if you really want a new key for your home and you don't want to spend the extra money, we could rekey. Now, if your locks are old and wore out, or you don't like the color or something like that, we could always replace your hardware as well. Or we could get you into high security locks if you want a little more added security. But if it's more of we want to make sure no one has the key to our home, give us a call. We can come out there, rekey your locks, give you new keys, and you don't have to worry about anybody having a key to your house. So if that sounds like something you would like for us to do, give us a call at A-Access Lock and Key, where we are key to your security. Thank you.